Following a standards-based assessment approach in physical education gives programs credibility, ensures students are learning a wide range of skills from all learning domains, and allows educators to easily develop effective learning objectives. The National Physical Education Standards from Shape America recently updated in 2024, and this presentation will cover these new changes and their implications for future professionals and current teachers. So there's some updated terminology from SHAPE. Physical literacy is still defined as the ability to move with competence and confidence in a wide range of physical activities and in multiple environments, which benefits the healthy development of the whole person. Too often, physical literacy is conceptualized as something that is objectively achievable at a fixed point, with a rigid and narrow path needed to successfully do so. For this reason, Shape America has shifted from using only the term physical literacy to emphasizing students' physical literacy journey. Using the term physical literacy journey implies a more holistic approach that considers the individual student and their developmental journey throughout their physical education experience and beyond. Grade span learning indicators show the skills students should be learning in each grade span. Shape America has changed terminology from grade level outcomes to grade span learning indicators, a change that reflects that motor skill development is not dependent on age, but on a student's opportunity to practice a skill and on the amount of instruction and encouragement they receive. The grade span learning indicators are written in a way that encompasses multiple grade levels and stages of development, and sample learning progressions are included for each learning indicator. Standard 1 of the National Physical Education Standards is develops a variety of motor skills. This standard emphasizes learning physical skills in the psychomotor domain. Shape America's rationale for the standard is that through learning experiences in physical education, the student develops motor skills across a variety of environments. Motor skills are a foundational part of child development and support the movements of everyday life. The development of motor skills contributes to an individual's physical literacy journey. Most physical education programs emphasize learning in the psychomotor domain, which is evident in the wide range of physical skills that are taught throughout an entire semester or school year. Despite this, some physical education classes, such as outdoor pursuits or health-related fitness class, may emphasize social learning or cognitive learning, which is also very beneficial. Standard 2 of our National Physical Education Standards applies knowledge related to movement and fitness concepts. The rationale for learning in the cognitive domain in physical education is that through learning experiences in physical education, the student uses their knowledge of movement concepts, tactics, and strategies across a variety of environments. This knowledge helps the student become a more versatile and efficient mover. Additionally, the student applies knowledge of health-related and skill-related fitness to enhance their overall well-being. The application of knowledge related to various forms of movement contributes to an individual's physical literacy journey. Examples of learning in the cognitive domain during physical education include learning tactics and strategies in team sports, learning the rules of various games, and attaining and applying the knowledge to create exercise programs which target specific components of health-related fitness. Standard 3 of the National Physical Education Standards is develop social skills through movements. This standard's learning progressions emphasize learning social skills, and social learning should be emphasized in physical education so that students develop the social skills necessary to exhibit empathy and respect for others and foster and maintain relationships. In addition, students develop skills for communication, leadership, cultural awareness, and conflict resolution in a variety of physical activity settings. Two curricular models which emphasize social learning are the teaching personal and social responsibility model and the cooperative learning model. These models demonstrate that physical education can be a setting in which social learning is centered. Through the endless opportunities for social engagement, students can purposefully practice positive social behaviors which are transferable beyond the school. Finally, Standard 4 develops personal skills, identifies personal benefits of movement, and chooses to engage in physical activity. This standard emphasizes affective learning, or the development of personal skills. Students should learn these skills in physical education because through affective learning, the student develops an understanding of how movement is personally meaningful and beneficial, and subsequently chooses to participate in physical activities that are personally meaningful. These include activities that offer social interaction, cultural connection, exploration, choice, self-expression, and appropriate levels of challenge and added health benefits. Additionally, the student develops personal skills including goal setting, identifying strengths, and reflection to enhance their physical literacy journey. There are a wide variety of opportunities for effective learning in physical education, including journal entries, goal setting, physical activity portfolios, and physical activity opportunities outside of class. In all, the new 2024 Shape America National Physical Education Standards represent a move towards conciseness and specificity, and the new terminology demonstrates that development is not a consistent process, and holistic learning is a central goal of physical education. Physical educators should prioritize learning in all domains and create learning objectives which are clear and measurable. Thanks for watching, and how will you use the new physical education standards in your class?